Now this component is our last component, shaft. First of all we save as blank shaft, save. Now this our object, save as blank name shaft. First of all, see all dimension are in mm. Select right plane, revolve, select the center line, infinite length, and draw like this, and one more center line to define perfectly, and make sure this one was in fully defined. Now select the line, select this object, this line, and our sketch like this. Now select the sketch, going to mirror, select this mirror about axis, and okay. Now complete our sketch like this. Now as per our requirement, this dimension we need 100 mm, this dimension need 45 mm, and this dimension is automatically 45, and this dia is rest in our bracket, then this need 30, and this dia is automatically 50 because this diameter rest in our pulley or tensioner. Now exit this and define center line like this. Okay, now this our shaft are done. Some feature are pending. Apply tool radius is per our tool, 0.5 or 1 mm. This is rough model, not perfectly created, only for study purpose. Like this, tool radius are done. Now applying chamfer, select the chamfer, select this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Now make sure this chamfer are in 30 degree. Now see this first one, first of all apply dimension 2 mm or 3 mm. Now see this first one done, second one done, but this third and fourth not done. Then select this edge and select flip direction, select another this one and flip direction, and okay. Now this our shaft are perfectly created. Now going to this appearance feature and apply different color, light done, light red, and done. Now so this is our fourth part. Now press Ctrl S or press this save button.